re-enter Lancaster, Warwick, Pembroke, the elder Mortimer and the younger Mortimer. After the king had threatened his wife Isabella, and Isabella was ordered by the king that she should try to convince the barons so that the rebanishment order may be cancelled, revoked. So that was the responsibility of Isabella, that she should try to convince the barons. Or Isidia, she was looking unhappy and she is asked by the barons. ठीक है निकाल लिया 190 निकाला चलो look where the sister of the king of France sits wringing of her hands and beats her breast, that she was unhappy, she was looking gloomy. So that's why this question was asked by the parents. Look, Lancaster and Warwick, the king I fear hath ill-treated her. That was the chance that she might have been mistreated by the king. Yes, she has been mistreated. Hard is the heart that endures such a saint. Everybody is soft. That such a soft lady may be ill-treated by the king. I know it is long of Gaveston, she weeps, and everything that the Gaveston was responsible for all his problems and woes in her life. Why he is gone, madam, how fares your grace? Isabella, ah, Mortimer now breaks the king's head for, and he confesseth that he loves not me. That was the condition, that she told everybody that the king has openly said that he was not in love with Lady Isabella, and she discusses it with the barons. Cry quittance, madam, then the love not him. No, rather will I die 1,000 deaths, and yet I love in vain, he will never love me. See, what does the Mortimer say? Mortimer says that if he is not loving you, you should also not love him. So in this way, you can retaliate with your husband. But she is not ready. She is a faithful wife of the king. That's why she denies, saying that I will die 100 times, 1,000 times, but I will love the king. So such was the wife of the king. Fear you not, madam, now his minions gone, his wanton humor will be quickly left. So they are expecting, if the minion Gaveston is rebanished, everything will be okay and the king will be normal and he will start loving his wife Isabella also. So they are hoping, oh, never Lancaster, I am enjoined to sue unto you fall all for his repeal. This wills my lord, and this must I perform, or else be banished from his highness presence. So that she wanted. She doesn't want only the rebanishment of Gaveston. Actually, she has been requesting all the barons to cancel this rebanishment so that the king may be happy, and he may be reconciled with her, with the queen. For this repeal, madam, he comes not back unless the sea cast of his sea-pricked body. And to behold so sweet a sight as that there is none here but would run his horse to death. But nobody is ready that this rebanishment order may be cancelled, because nobody likes them. Nobody likes Gaveston. So they are not ready to accept him back. But madam, would you have us call his home? Yeah, Mortimer, for till he be restored, the angry king hath banished me and the court, and therefore as thou lovest and tenderest me, be thou my advocate unto these peers. देखो, she has a belief, she has faith in Mortimer that he may try. If he tries well, she is hopeful of the success of this cancel order of the rebanishment. So that's why she is requesting Mortimer Jr. to try it well. Young Mortimer, what would you have me plead for Gaveston? Plead for him, he that will, I am resolved. And so am I. ये Isabella was given responsibility to reconcile with the barons. No? यहाँ तक हम लोग स्टडी कर चुके थे ना। पेज नंबर ये, अच्छा तुम्हारा बुक है ना। मीटिंग वाज हेल्ड फॉर रीबैनिशमेंट ऑफ ना, ये हम लोगों ने कर लिया था। स्टोरी क्या था, कहाँ तक हम लोगों ने फिनिश किया था? हाँ हाँ, चलो यहाँ तक हमने किया था। ये लाइन नंबर 170 तक हम लोगों ने कर लिया था ना। 170, उसके भी आगे ना। यस यस, इसाबेला वाज गिवन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कन्विंस। अच्छा ये स्मिता लाइन से नहीं है। चलो ठीक है, ये है 230। 230 निकालो, 230, लाइन नंबर 230 निकल गया ना। ये क्वीन इसाबेला was requesting Mortimer to cancel this rebanishment order by the barons. No? She was trying to convince them that it should be cancelled, revoked. Why? The purpose was to make her husband happy. ना, ये पर्पस था उसका, क्वीन इसाबेला का। So that's why she was trying her best to convince all the barons through Mortimer, because she knew that there was Mortimer was attracted towards her, so she could influence him by her ideas that this should be revoked, that the barons unanimously have decided that he should be rebanished. It should be revoked, and if it is revoked, it is chance that king will be happy and he will reconcile with the queen ना। यहाँ तक हम लोगों ने किया था। चलो ये स्टार्टिंग करते हैं यहीं से। इट इज नॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ आई स्पीक एंड नॉट फॉर हिम, आई विल प्रिवेल एंड देयर फॉर सीज फेयर क्वीन फॉर वियर टू एंगल फॉर द फीस which weighing out strikes him that takes it that एक्चुअली हम लोग थोड़ा सा और पहले से निकालो, 200 के आसपास निकालो, 190 200। Re-enter Lancaster, Warwick, Pembroke, and elder Mortimer, and the young Mortimer. Look where the sister of the King of France sits, rigging of her hands and beats her breast. यही पे है ना जहाँ पे सीन है कि ये सी इज अनहैप्पी और उसको बात करने के लिए लोग आए, द बैरन्स, बिकॉज बैरन्स रेस्पेक्ट द क्वीन। उसको मालूम है उनके उनका नहीं, सीन 4 में, सीन 4 एक्ट फर्स्ट सीन 4, एक्ट 1 सीन 4, यहीं से निकालो, 190 से निकालो। Re-enter Lancaster, Warwick, Pembroke, the elder Mortimer and the younger Mortimer. after the king had threatened his wife Isabella. And Isabella was ordered by the king that she should try to convince the baron so that the rebanishment order may be cancelled, revoked. So that was the responsibility of Isabella, that she should try to convince the barons. Or इसीलिए she was looking unhappy and she is asked by the barons. ठीक है, निकाल लिया 190 निकाला. चलो. Look where the sister of the king of France sits wringing of her hands and beats her breast. That she was unhappy. She was looking gloomy. So that's why this question was asked by the parents. Look, Lancaster and Warwick, the king, I fear, hath ill-treated her. That was the chance that she might have been mistreated by the king. Yes, she has been mistreated. Hard is the heart that endures such a saint. Everybody is soft. That such a soft lady may be ill-treated by the king. I know it is long of Gaveston, she weeps, and everything that the Gaveston was responsible for all his problems and woes in her life. Why he is gone, madam, how fares your grace? Isabella, Mortimer now breaks the king's head for, and he confesseth that he loves not me. That was the condition, that she told everybody that the king has openly said that he was not in love with the lady Isabella, and she discusses it with the barons. Cry quittance, madam, then the love not him. No, rather will I die 1,000 deaths, and yet I love in vain, he will never love me. See, what does the Mortimer say? Mortimer says that if he is not loving you, you should also not love him. So in this way, you can retaliate with your husband. But she is not ready. She is a faithful wife of the king. That's why she denies, saying that I will die 100 times, 1,000 times, but I will love the king. So such was the wife of the king. Fear you not, madam, now his minions gone, his wanton humor will be quickly left. So they are expecting, if the minion Gaveston is rebanished, everything will be okay and the king will be normal and he will start loving his wife Isabella also. So they are hoping, oh, never Lancaster, I am enjoined to sue unto you fall all for his repeal. This wills my lord, and this must I perform, or else be banished from his highness presence. So that she wanted. She doesn't want only the rebanishment of Gaveston. Actually, she has been requesting all the barons to cancel this rebanishment so that the king may be happy, and he may be reconciled with her, with the queen. For this repeal, madam, he comes not back unless the sea cast of his shipwrecked body. And to behold so sweet a sight as that there is none here but would run his horse to death. But nobody is ready that this rebanishment order may be cancelled, because nobody likes them. Nobody likes Gaveston. So they are not ready to accept him back. But madam, would you have us call his home? Yeah, Mortimer, for till he be restored, the angry king hath banished me and the court, and therefore as thou lovest and tenderest me, be thou my advocate unto these peers. देखो, she has a belief, she has faith in Mortimer that he may try. If he tries well, she is hopeful of the success of this cancel order of the rebanishment. So that's why she is requesting Mortimer Jr. to try it well. Young Mortimer, what would you have me plead for Gaveston? Plead for him, he that will, I am resolved. And so am I, my lord, dissuade the queen. No, the people are not ready to cancel this order. So that's why they are trying to convince the lady Isabella that she should not ask such a question, such a request. O Lancaster, let him dissuade the king, for it's against my will he should return. Queen is of the same opinion that he should not be, he actually concealment should not be there. but there is no alternative. If he is not resolved, if his order is not cancelled, she will be ignored by the king itself. So that's why she is requesting, O Lancaster, let him dissuade the king. Then speak not for him, let the peasant go. They are trying that Gaveston should be banished, but Isabella is trying that his banishment should be cancelled. It is for myself I speak and not for him. That is the emotional game that she is requesting. It is not for Gaveston, actually for herself. For her sake, for her goodness, she is requesting. No, speaking will prevail and therefore cease. Young Mortimer, fair queen, forbear to angle for the feast which, weighing count, strikes him, that takes it dead, that now I hope plots on the Irish seas. Everybody is advocating that he has been caught like a fish, and this fish should be killed. It should not be allowed to go into the water again. It means Gaveston is under their control now, and now he should be banished immediately. If he is revoked, if an order is revoked, he will be free at last, and the problem will remain like before. Sweet Mortimer, sit down by me a while, and I will tell the reasons to such weight as thou wilt soon subscribe to his repeal. She is requesting that there is a point in the cancellation of this order. It is impossible, but speak your mind. Then thus, but none shall hear it but ourselves. She is requesting and requesting that he should not be banished. Please stop it. Talks to younger Mortimer apart. देखो क्या कर रही है, वो अलग ले जाकर के मोर्टाइमर से बात कर रही है. She is trying her best to convince him. My lords, albeit the queen win Mortimer, you will be resolute and hold with me. The people are suspicious. If he is swayed away, if he is convinced by the lady, what will you do? अगर मोर्टाइमर रेडी हो जाता है तो क्या करोगे? मान जाओगे या छोड़ दोगे? There is confusion. Not I against my nephew. देखो, because he is the uncle of young Mortimer, he will not be against of junior Mortimer. कि अगर वो बोलेगा कि कर देना है, तो they will be ready for doing that. Fear not, the queen's words cannot alter him, but at the same time they have faith in Mortimer कि वो accept नहीं करेगा. वो जो queen कह रही है उसको accept नहीं करेगा, वो deny कर देगा. No, do, but mark how earnestly she pleads. But they have suspicion कि देखो कितने प्यार से बात कर रही है लेडी, कितने lovingly she is requesting Mortimer. शायद Mortimer बदल जाए. And she smiles. Now for my life this mind is changed. देखो Warwick is he has assumption because the queen has been smiling over him. She has been talking with a smile, so उसको लग रहा है कि कहीं मोर्टाइमर इस बात से सहमत न हो जाए. I'll rather lose his friendship than grant. Lancaster is not ready to cancel the order of re-banishment of Gaveston. If Mortimer agrees to the queen, he is ready to forsake him. There will be no friendship between them. Mortimer को छोड़ देगा, नहीं मानेगा. Young Mortimer, well, of necessity it must be so. My lords, that I abhor base Gaveston, I hope your honors make no question. And therefore, though I plead for his repeal, it is not for his sake, but for our avail, nay, for the realm's behoof and for the king's. Now Mortimer has been convinced by the lady Isabella, Queen Isabella, and now he is convincing the other barons. Actually, it is not for the benefit of Gaveston, and it is also not for the queen herself. There is another purpose, and you should listen to me and try to understand me. There is a point. What is that point? 5 Mortimer, Lancaster says, dishonor not thyself. Can this be true? It was good to banish him, and is this true to call him home again? And such reasons make white black and dark night day. How it will be? How it is possible? First we have decided to rebanish him, and within minutes, you are turned, you are changed, and now you are advocating that this order should be cancelled? How it is possible? How day should be turned into night and night should be turned into day? How it is possible? कि अभी तो हम लोगों ने इसको डिसाइड किया था यूनानिमसली कि इसको कैंसिल कर, इसको भेज देना वापस से। अब क्वीन ने तुमको कुछ समझा दिया एंड नाउ यू आर टेलिंग, यू आर कन्विंसिंग कि इसको कैंसिल कर देना चाहिए। ये कैसे संभव है? विद इन मिनट्स तुम कैसे चेंज हो सकते हो? देखो, दे आर एक्चुअली सस्पिशियस ऑफ हिज नेचर कि मोर्टाइमर के माइंड में जरूर कोई लोभ आ गया होगा, जरूर कोई प्लानिंग चल रहा होगा जिसकी वजह से इतना जल्दी वो प्रभाव में आ गया और क्वीन ने जैसे ही रिक्वेस्ट किया मान ली। ये लोग ये भी जान रहे हैं कि मोर्टाइमर और इसाबेला के बीच में कुछ नियरनेस है, कुछ नजदीकी है, रिलेशंस है। माय लॉर्ड ऑफ लैंकास्टर मार्क द रेस्पेक्ट, इन नो रेस्पेक्ट कैन contraries be true, because these are contrary. These are contraries कि एक बार हम लोगों ने उसको बैनिश करने के लिए बोला, अब आप तुम बोल रहे हो कैंसिल करने के लिए। ये both are contraries. Yet good my lord, hear what he can allege. All that he speaks is nothing. We are resolved. Do you not wish that Gaveston were dead? That is the point. That Gaveston says that, do you want him only to banish Gaveston? Don't you want to kill him? He should be killed. And if he goes to France, how he will be killed? If he stays here, he may be killed. And that is the permanent solution of this problem. So that is the point. Dekho, young Mortimer is in character, he is a Machiavellian character. No. How to occupy the power, that is his only sole objective in his life. So here is a chance how to impress Lady Isabella, Queen Isabella. And if he impresses her, there is chance to occupy the power. So that's why he is convinced. Or he tried his best to convince the other barons, those who were completely opposed to this decision. इसलिए वो नया चाल चल रहा है कि actually he should not be banished, he should be killed. और killing के लिए जरूरी है कि गेवेस्टन यहाँ रुके. That is the point. So that is required that this order may be cancelled. Cancel कर देंगे तो यहाँ रुकेगा, और जब ये रुकेगा तो मारा जाएगा. That is the plan. I would we were. Now they started to rethink it. Why then, my lord, give me but leave to speak? But nephew, do not play the sophister. They are suspicious. What is the plan of young Mortimer? Young Mortimer says, this which I urge is of a burning zeal to mend the king and do our country good. Know you not Gaveston hath a store of gold, which may in Ireland purchase him such friends, as he will front the mightiest of us all, and whereas he shall live and be beloved, and it is hard for us to work his overthrow. देखो क्या है कि if he is vanished, he will take away so much amount of gold, and with this gold he may purchase friends, he may make friends there in France, and he would be mightier there. But if he lives here, he will be here in this country, and we will have the chance to murder him. So it is better to cancel this order and stay him here. That is good. Mark you, but that my lord of Lancaster. Now they started getting the idea. Yes, he is saying right. मोर्टाइमर सही बोल रहा है. अगर वो चला जाएगा तो वो हमारे हाथ से निकल जाएगा, और अगर यहाँ रहेगा तो उसको हम लोग किल कर सकते हैं, मर्डर कर सकते हैं. देखो कैसे चेंज होने लगा. हाउ cunning is young Mortimer. That first he was the person who led these people to rebanish Gaveston, and now he is the same person who started convincing the barons that he should be kept back here in England. He should not be banished to France. ये दोनों काम में वो आर्टफुल है. He is very cunning. कि पहले ही इसी ने भड़का करके उसको बैनिश करवाया दोबारा से, अब वही है जो फिर से इनको कन्विंस करके बैक कर रहा है. देखो ये पावर है उसके अंदर, that he can convince the for his vested interest. उसका जो हिडन मोटिव है, उस मोटिव के लिए कोई भी बात को किसी भी तरीके से चेंज कर दे सकता है. That is his plan. He said true. Yes, but were he here, detested as he is, how easily might some base slave be suborned to greet his lordship with poniard, and none so much as blame the murderer, but rather praise him for that brave attempt, and in the chronicle enroll his name for purging of the realm of such a plague. देखो, if he stays back, if Gaveston is in the England, everybody will hate him, and hate will increase among the people. Or in this way, some people will be there who will murder him. And even after the murder, the people will not hate the murderer. Rather, he will appreciate the murderer. किस बात के लिए? कि that he has done something well, grand, and his name should be written in the history. So it is better to stay him back. गेवेस्टन को यहाँ रखो. It is the purpose. लोग उससे नफरत करेंगे और यहाँ उसको मारना आसान होगा, बट फ्रांस में मारना आसान नहीं होगा. So he is a plague for country. Plague means a epidemic, big problem for the country. वो है. He said true. देखो, that is the assumption of Pedro. He started understanding the matter, and he supported young Mortimer. Yeah, but how chance this was not done before? Yeah, it is a point. But why didn't we call it? Why didn't we consider it before? आखिर इतना बड़ा पॉइंट को हम लोगों ने इग्नोर कैसे कर दिया? पहले क्यों नहीं सोचा कि उसको बैनिश करने से फायदा नहीं है, यही रखने से फायदा है और उसको फाइनली मारना है. That is the solution of the problem. Yeah, because my lords, it was not thought upon. Nay more, when he shall know it lies in us to banish him and then to call him home, it will make him veil the top flag of his pride and fear it offend the meanest noble man. It will be easy. एक बार उसको भेज दो फिर वहां से वापस लाना. That will be a difficult task. So it is better not to banish him and keep him here. But how? If you do not, nephew, then maybe with some color rise in arms, for however we have borne it out, it is treason to be up against the king. So shall we have the people of our side, which for his father's sake lean to the king, but cannot brook a night ground mushroom, such a one as my lord of Cornwall is, should bear us down of the nobility, and when the commons and the nobles join, it is not the king can buckler Gaveston, we will pull him from the strongest hold he had. My lord, if to perform this I will be slack, think me as base a groom as Gaveston. If Gaveston is kept here in this country, he will be easily killed. If he is not killed, I will be responsible. Young Mortimer says it. Oh, that condition Lancaster will grant, and so will Pembroke and I, it means everybody agrees. Everybody is ready to this new idea of young Mortimer, that he should be kept back in this country. He should not be banished. It is better for the sake of this country, in the interest of this country, he should be kept back. In this I count me highly gratified, and Mortimer will rest at your command. Mortimer is very happy. Why? Because he was successful in convincing the other barons. But he has hidden agenda. No. वो क्यों इसको कन्विंस किया? वो कन्विंस इसलिए किया बैरन्स को कि so that he can impress the queen. ये उसका टारगेट था. ये देखो, झूठ को सच और सच को झूठ बनाने की काबिलियत है उसके अंदर. जब जैसा मौका आया उसी तरह से उसने कन्विंस किया. दिस इज मैकियावेलियन कैरेक्टर है ना. इन सोसाइटी वी फाउंड एवरीवेयर दिस मैकियावेलियन नेचर, द मैकियावेलियन थ्योरी in their life, that how to occupy power. Queen Isabella, and when this favor Isabella forgets, then let her leave abandoned and forlorn. But see, in happy time, my lord the king, having brought the Earl of Cornwall on his way, is new returned. This news will glad him much, yet not so much as me. I love him more than he can Gaveston. Would he loved me but half so much, then where I travel was. Now Isabella is very happy. Why? Because she succeeded in her job. that at last she requested all the parents, and she was quite hopeful that she will do the thing. Why? The reason was only that she should reconcile herself with the king. And if the king is very happy after the concealment of this order, he will start loving the queen. That is her hope. है ना, उसको उम्मीद है कि किंग फिर से उसके साथ पुराना अच्छा व्यवहार शुरू कर देगा अगर उसके दोस्त रह जाएगा. बट देयर इज सस्पिशन ऑल्सो कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि गैवेस्टन को रख लिया जाए तो फिर वो गैवेस्टन के साथ इंगेज रहे. री इंटर किंग एडवर्ड मॉर्निंग because he was not happy because his friend was being revanished again, so that's why he is in mourning situation. Edward King, he is gone, and for his absence thus I mourn, because he has been vanished, so he has been mourning. Did never sorrow go so near my heart as doth the want of my sweet Gaveston, and could my crown's revenue bring him back, I would freely give it to his enemies, and I think I gained having bought so dear a friend. Because the people are conspirators, they have revanished my friend, my dearest friend Gaveston, and I will revenge them all. He is mourning, he is not happy, because he has not been informed that the order of rebanishment has been cancelled, and the queen is successful in this. अभी उसको ये सूचना नहीं है कि उसके वाइफ ने बैरन्स को कन्विंस कर दिया. बैरन को कन्विंस कर दिया ये उसको मालूम नहीं है. So that's why he is in mourning. Hark how he harps upon his minion. She says, King Edward, my heart is as an anvil unto sorrow, which beats upon it like the Cyclops' hammers, and with the knolls tongues of my giddy brain, and makes me frantic for my Gaveston. Ah, had some bloodless fury rose from it, and with my kingly scepter struck me dead when I was forced to leave my Gaveston. He is repenting. He is mourning because his friend has been revanished again. No. So still he was mourning. He doesn't know that this order has been cancelled by the foreign. He has not been informed. Lancaster, Diablo, what passions call you these? Isabella, my gracious lord, I come to bring you news. What news? The news is very full of happiness. Happy news it is for the king, that you have parleyed with your Mortimer, that Gaveston, my lord, shall be repealed. Yes, my lord, this is the news, that the order has been repealed. It has been cancelled. Now Gaveston will be kept here. Repealed. The news is too sweet to be true. It is unbelievable, a fact for the king, because he has made his mind ready for the banishment of his friend. But will you love me if you find it so? Because it was conditioned that if she is successful in convincing the barons and secure the safety of Gaveston, concealment of the order, that was the condition that the king will start loving her, but he will fulfill. If it be so, what will not Edward do? If it is true, he will love. If not, he will not. For Gaveston, but not for Isabella. For thee, fair queen, if thou lovest Gaveston, I'll hang a golden tongue about thy name, seeing how thou hast pleaded with so good success. If you are successful, I will love. No other jewels hang upon my neck than these, my lord. Not let me have more wealth than I may fetch from this rich treasury. Oh, how a kiss revives poor Isabella. Kisses him. She is happy because her husband is happy. And the king is ready to supply any jewelry that she wanted. But she denies, saying that there is no need of jewelry. You are my best jewelry. Husband is the best jewelry. If you are happy, this is the most beautiful jewelry in my life. So be happy just. So she kisses her husband, King Edward II. King Edward, once more receive my hand, and let this be a second marriage. It twixt thyself and me. So happiness is there. The king is so much happy that he starts loving her wife once again, and he proposes as if it was their second marriage. देखो क्या कर रहा है कि आज इतना वो खुश है कि वो फिर से वो प्रपोज कर रहा है और ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे वो फिर से शादी कर रहा है, शायद अब ये लाइफ बेटर हो जाए. दैट इज हिज फीलिंग. And may it prove more happy than the first, my gentle Lord. Be speak these novels fair that wait attendance for a gracious look, and on their knees salute your majesty. She thinks that this second marriage should be more happier than the first marriage because it was not a success. She was not happy. But now, seeing that the king has started loving her once again, she is too much happy. King Edward II, courageous Lancaster, embrace thy king, and as even so late hearted with thy sovereign's smile, live thou with me as my companion. Now everything has been settled. Now king has been reconciled with the other parents. So that's why he says to Lancaster, be the champion, be my companion. He is happy with each and every parents. Why? Because they have accepted that he should not be banished. So that's why he is too much happy. This salutation overjoys my heart. Lancaster is also happy, seeing the change in the king. कि इतना चेंज हो गया, कितना खुश हो गया king. फिर से सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया. Warwick shall be my chiefest counselor. These silver airs will more adorn my court than gaudy silks or rich embroidery. Chide me, sweet Warwick, if I go astray. So now, slap me, my lord, where I offend your grace. In solemn trims and in public shows, Pembroke shall bear the sword before the king. Each and every baron is happy. And with this sword, Pembroke will fight for you. But wherefore walks your young Mortimer aside? Be thou commander of our royal fleet, or if that lofty office like thee not, I make thee here Lord Marshal of the realm. देखो, Mortimer is also gifted with power. He is appointed commander of the realm. So the king is very happy. My lord, I will marshal so your enemies, as England shall be quiet and you safe. Mortimer is also happy because he has received. And as for you, Lord Mortimer of Circe, whose great achievements in our foreign war deserves no commonplace nor mean reward, but you, the general of the navy troops that now are ready to assail the Scots. So now he has been appointed commander. Mortimer Senior, in this your grace hath highly honored me, for with my nature war doth best agree. Now is the King of England rich and strong, having the love of his renowned peers. Now she is very happy. She is happy that the king has been reconciled with the barons. Now he will be working for the interest of the nation. So that's why she is extremely happy. Yeah, Isabel, never was my heart so light. Clerk of the crown, direct our warrant forth for Gaveston to Ireland. He says that he has never been so happy as he is today because his friend has been kept here and everything is okay. Enter Beaumont with warrant Beaumont fly. As fast as Iris or Job's Mercury. He has been ordered ना कि जाओ और गेवेस्टन को जा करके ये दे दो. एक सेकंड. So take this letter and go to Gaveston and stop him and inform him that his order of rebanishment has been cancelled once again. It shall be done, my gracious Lord. Lord Mortimer, we leave you to your charge. Now let us in and feast it royally against our friend the Earl of Cornwall comes We will have a general tilt and tournament, and then this marriage shall be solemnized. For what you not that I have made him sure unto our cousin the Earl of Gloucester's here. So now the king is happy, and he has been arranging a tournament, a party. He is throwing a party on the barons. And he has also decided that the heir of Gloucester, the sister of the baron, is to be married with Gaveston, his friend. So that is also the occasion. Secondly, because his Gaveston has been coming back to his own country, so in this he has thrown this a party, and in party everybody is invited. Such is the happiness of the king. Such news we hear, my lord. What about the news that this sister of this Gloucester is going to be married with his friend Gaveston? Gaveston की शादी ग्लाउसेस्टर की उत्तराधिकारी से होने वाला है. That is the purpose. That day, if not for him, yet for my sake, who in the triumph will be challenger, the sphere for no post, we will requite your love. Warwick, in this or aught, your highness shall command us. Edward, thanks, gentle Warwick, come, let's in and revel. So he has invited each and every one in the party, saying that everybody will be happy. The king is very happy that everything has been settled now. सब चीज ठीक हो गया. गेवेस्टन उसका फ्रेंड वापस आ गया. गेवेस्टन की शादी अपने एक परिचित जो रिलेटिव है उससे वो करा रहा है, जो ग्लाउसेस्टर की जो उत्तराधिकारी है उससे उसकी शादी करा रहा है. और इस खुशी में उसने क्या किया है, पार्टी दिया है, और पार्टी में सबको इनवाइट किया है. Exeunt all except the elder and the younger Mortimer. Elder Mortimer, nephew, I must to Scotland, thou stayest here. Live now to oppose thyself against the king. Thou seest by nature he is mild and calm, and seeing his mind so dotes on Gaveston, let him without controlment have his will. The mightiest king have had their minions. Great Alexander loved Hephaestion, the conquering Hercules for Hylas' way, and for Patroclus stern Achilles' troop, and not kings only, but the wisest men. The Roman Tully loved Octavius, great Socrates, wild Alcibiades. Then let his grace, whose youth is flexible, and promise as much as we can wish, freely enjoy that when high-headed all, for riper years will wean him from such toys. देखो, the uncle of young Mortimer is convincing his nephew, young Mortimer, that you should live freely. You should not disturb the king. You should not taunt and comment the king. It happens everywhere in the world. Each and every the mighty king has some minions, and they used to adore them. He has given so many examples, like great Alexander, जिसको हम सिकंदर बोलते हैं हिंदी में, उसका भी मिनियन था. बहुत सारे स्टोरी का उसने ये दिया कि it happens in the life that king लोग का कुछ खास मिनियन होता है, उससे वो डोट अपॉन करते हैं. सो प्लीज बी फ्री, फील फ्री, डिस्टर्ब मत हो. ये होता है. देखो, वो यंग नहीं है, वो एक ओल्ड है, समझदार है, मैच्योर पर्सन है, इसलिए वो अपने यंग नेफ्यू को समझा रहे हैं कि चलो छोड़ दो. द किंग शुड बी अलाउड टू डोट अपॉन हिज फ्रेंड गेवेस्टन. बर्दाश्त करो, ऐसा मत करो, डिस्टर्ब मत करो. सब जगह होता है दुनिया में. सब जितने राजा हैं या इवन जो वाइज मैन हैं, वो सब लोग कोई ना कोई अपना फेवरेट रखते हैं, इसलिए रहने दो. डोंट बी डिस्टर्ब. यंग मोटाइमर, अंकल, his wanton human grieves not me, but this I have called that one so basely born should by his sovereign's favor grow so far. देखो, this is the statement of young Mortimer, that he is not unhappy because Gaveston is loved by the king. He is not unhappy because the King Edward II loves his friend Gaveston. He is just unhappy because he has been given so much power and he has been become pot, indolent. No, वो अड़ियल हो गया है, वो जिद्दी हो गया है, बदमाश हो गया है, और बहुत ही दृष्ट करता है. So that's why he is happy. And write it with treasure of the realm, while soldiers mutiny for want of pay. He bears a lord's revenue on his back, and milds Midas like he jets it in the court, with base outlandish Culians at his heels, whose proud fantastic liveries make such show, as if that Poetius, god of shapes, appeared. I have not seen a draper jack so brisk. Because Gaveston has been destroying the property of king, he has been misusing the revenue, the treasure. So that's why it is unhappiness. Mortimer is, that's why he is unhappy. Because Gaveston is misusing all the things of King Edward II. इसलिए कि वो सब बेकार कर रहा है, मिसयूज कर रहा है, पूरा खजाना को खाली कर रहा है. कहाँ सेना को पैसा देने के लिए पैसा नहीं है. नहीं, म्यूटनी ये कह रहा है कि देखो ये क्या कह रहा है कि वाइल सोल्जर्स म्यूटनी फॉर वांट ऑफ पे. ये एक्सप्लेनेटरी लाइन है, ये 8 नंबर का एक्सप्लेनेटरी लाइन है, इसको नोटिस रखना कि जहां पे सेना को पैसा देने के लिए नहीं है और ये सारा ट्रेजरी को लुटा रहा है, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम है. इसलिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि किंग लव्स Gaveston. The problem is that he has been misusing the treasury of the king. Larded with pearls and in his Tuscan cap, a jewel of more value than the crown, whilst other walked below the king and he, from out a window laughed at such as we, and flout out our train and jest at our attire, uncle. It is this that makes me impatient. Now he has deliberately discussed all the things, that why he is angry, why he is unhappy, because he himself wears a very costly costume, even comparatively costlier than the king himself, even the crown. वो जो ज्वेलरी पहनता है, वो जो कपड़ा पहनता है, वो सबसे ज्यादा है. और उससे भी ज्यादा तकलीफ दे क्या है कि वो किंग के साथ ऑलवेज रहता है, और वो छत पर जो उसका जो विंडो है, उस विंडो से वो दूसरे को कमेंट करता है. दैट इज द रीजन एवरीबॉडी इज अनहैप्पी. ये कमेंट करना ये यंग मोर्टाइमर को बर्दाश्त से ज्यादा हो जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही इज अनहैप्पी. ऐसा नहीं है कि Gaveston को अगर लव करे किंग तो इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम है. प्रॉब्लम इस बात से है कि Gaveston कुछ समझता ही नहीं है किसी को. बट nephew, now you see the kings is changed. Now they are hoping that everything will be settled and will be okay. चलो ठीक है, अब तो किंग बदल रहा है, he is changing himself. शायद सुधार हो रहा है उसके अंदर. Then so am I, and live to do him service. But whilst I have a sword, a hand, a heart, I will not yield to any such upstart. You know my mind. Come, uncle, let's away. If the king is changed, I am also changed. I have no problem. But if king is not changed, I will be very cruel to him. I will have the sword against him. So you know very well my temperament. This is a threatening, ना? Threatening. वो अंकल को क्लियर समझा दे रहा है कि अगर किंग बदल गया है तब तो ठीक है, और अगर नहीं बदला है तो मेरा स्वॉर्ड मेरे पास है, और आप मुझे अच्छी तरीके से जानते हैं. देखो, ये उसके अंदर वो गुस्सा है, वो जज्बा है कि वो कभी भी किसी को डिस्टर्ब कर देता है. चलो, so in this way the first act finishes here, and this story ends with what? That the problem was created in the drama, and Gaveston was to be sent to France as banishment, but with the interference of Queen Isabella, he has been kept here in England. His order of rebanishment has been cancelled, and now the king is normal. He is changed. He is very happy. He has also reconciled himself with his wife Isabella, and he also throws a party for each and everyone because he is very happy. है ना? उसको बहुत खुशी है कि सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया. उसका फ्रेंड वापस आ गया है, उसकी जो क्वीन है उसके साथ उसका फिर से शादी एक तरह से हो गया. सेकेंड मैरिज उसको बोलता है, और इसाबेला इसलिए खुश है कि शायद ये सेकेंड मैरिज हमारा फर्स्ट मैरिज से भी खुशहाल हो, ज्यादा अच्छा हो. इस उम्मीद के साथ कि सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। क्या वाकई में ठीक होगा? वेदर इट इज पॉसिबल that he will be have himself, whether it is possible, it can be hoped, he can be expected to behave like that, ऐसा होने वाला है? शायद नहीं, because he has this weakness, he is too much attracted, actually he is mentally ill, love sick, really he was said, whatever ने उसको सही बोला था कि king is a love sick person, वो शायद ऐसा नहीं करेगा। लेकिन फिर भी एक तो यही कहता है कि सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया, लेकिन जब इतना नॉर्मल होता तो ये ट्रेजिक स्टोरी क्यों होता? अभी इसके जो बोलते हैं ना कि इसके गर्भ में बहुत कुछ छुपा हुआ है। अब क्या होने वाला है नेक्स्ट, इसको कंटिन्यू रखें या फिर नेक्स्ट डे पढ़ाएं? देखो मन से पढ़ो, यही बड़ी बात है। थोड़ा टाइम